Hi guys, another look at the LRC here, and just looking at it for the purposes of entry, right? One of my favorite ways to look at and pay attention to the Linear Regression Channel intraday is to watch these extremes. In a later video, I'll show you how to use it as a means of, or how it works for you to keep you out of trades, but this is for one of the ways that I like to use it for entry purposes. As you can see, it's extended here. This is 2 standard deviations. This is 3 standard deviations on both sides. And as you can see this morning, we got a nice push down here toward the 3rd standard deviation, and then we got an up move and a declining channel beyond the 2nd standard deviation here. Rolled over, price absolutely collapsed, and we pushed beyond the 3rd standard deviation down here. Then we got this nice bounce back toward the middle of the channel. It is far from perfect, because arguably, you know, there were trades that could have been taken here in what's called the buy zone, just beyond the 2nd standard deviation, that would have failed. But overall, this is a very, very good way to take signals. Now, a couple of cautions. People tend to rush it with respect to this. As soon as price gets into the buy zone, or as soon as it gets into the sell zone, they want to go, or they look for a reason to go, or they look for a way to go. That's fine, but usually a better way to approach this is to wait patiently for a solid signal to present. You take it, you place your stop here, down below the low here, and you wait to see what happens, right? So what else can I tell you? That's it on this one. These signals are not easy to take, because as you can see, at the time that this happened, price slowed down when it got up into this channel, but I mean, that was a very hard push. So, you know, the feeling would be, wow, it could just reverse on me right here and go on higher, but that's always the case. So net, a very good tool to think about using to around which to build a setup, and one that I find to be very effective. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you at the next one.